What types of insurance claims can you make when you're injured as a passenger in someone else's vehicle? Let's get into it. First, depending on who's at fault, you're going to be able to make a BI claim. So if the other vehicle is completely at fault, you make a BI claim against that driver. But then here's where it gets interesting. If that driver doesn't have enough insurance, you can make a UM claim. Who's UM, you say? The driver of the car that you're in will have a UM policy that will apply for you if they have UM. But also your UM travels with you like a backpack in that car. But what if the at-fault party is your driver? You can make a BI claim against your friend or whoever was driving. Maybe it was an Uber driver. And then your UM would apply as a supplement to that BI. Now, what if the accident is like a 50-50 or he said, she said? Who do you sue then? Or who can you make a claim with then? Literally, you make a BI claim against your driver. You make a BI claim against the other driver. And those insurance companies will fight with each other about how much to pay. But sometimes both of those insurance companies need to consider the full value of your claim in order to figure out how much to pay you. It's not just, we're only going to pay half. Half of what? That's why you need a good lawyer. Ultimately, in any accident, there's going to be different entities that may need to pay. Maybe one of the cars that hit you works for a company. There's another policy there that covers that conduct. Ultimately, don't get caught up in where the money's going to come from. The point is, we're going to try to get you as much compensation as we can, no matter what the source. Call us so we can help you. We'd love to take your call. Thank you.